Let us now find the total surface area and volume of this cube. Here all three arms are equal, so this is a cube, and its one arm length is given A equals 80 millimeter. We can convert it into centimeter. 80 division 10 centimeter, that is 8 centimeter. So we are converting it because it will give us smaller values, because if we do 80 square or 80 cube, it will be big value. So instead we converted first the dimension into centimeter, from millimeter to centimeter. So now the total surface area of a cube is each of the faces area is a square. If the dimension is a square, then there are 6 faces, so total surface area is 6a square. So it will be 6 times, here a is 8, so 8 square. 6 times 8 square, we will get 384. And since this dimension we converted into centimeter, so its area will be in centimeter square. And the volume is a cube. So dimension is 8 centimeter, so it will be 8 cube, which is 512. 8 is centimeter, so the volume will be in centimeter cube.